philanthropist, business tycoon, Sir Richard Branson has everything that one could imagine, and 17 years ago, he dreamt of becoming a space traveler. Well, on July 11, 2021, Branson became an astronaut ushering in a new era of private space tourism. Yes, while Branson was likely to fly late in summers, he awarded himself the flight days after Blue Origin announced that Jeff Bezos will be flying to space. So let's take a look at the Unity 22's flight to space. Branson boarded his company Virgin Galactic's Unity 2022 flight from the Mojave Desert in New Mexico and propelled into suborbital space, where he enjoyed over 3 minutes of weightlessness in microgravity. He was accompanied by India-born Sirisha Bandla, Vice President for Virgin Galactic Government Affairs, who became the 4th Indian to travel to space after Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, Indian-American Sunita Williams, and 4 other passengers. The Unity 22 flight, which was to take around 6 p.m., was initially delayed to bad weather conditions. The ecstatic Branson had even quoted that it's a beautiful day to go to space ahead of the flight. While the White Knight aircraft VMS EVE carried the rocket-powered spaceship VSS Unity as it took off from a horizontal runway flown by 2 pilots. The aircraft climbed an altitude of 50,000 feet, about 15 kilometers above the surface, before dropping VSS Unity in the air. Once in the air, Unity, which is about the size of a private jet, ignited its rocket engine to ascend an altitude of 80 kilometers, acquiring a speed of Mach 3, that is 3 times speed of sound. So as the spacecraft reached the edge of the stratosphere, passengers on board unbuckled themselves to get a wholesome view of the planet, which only a chosen few have experienced in the past. Following the few minutes of weightlessness, the passengers strapped back as Unity reoriented for re-entry. The plane folded its wings and folding them back down in a unique technique known as feathering, gliding back the NASA space shuttle. Following 15 minutes of free flight, it landed back like a commercial aeroplane at the spaceport facility. So now the question arises, when will tourism flights begin to space? So the company is now set to open private space travel for tourists. The company is also likely to launch tourists into space by next year after 3 more flights by the end of 2021. In fact, the company has already sold close to about 600 tickets to people from 60 different countries at prices ranging from $2 lakh to $2,50,000, while the Virgin Galactic aims to conduct 400 flights per year. So this was all about Richard Branson's space tour. For more information, do log into India.com and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.